So today's project is to tear down the rest of this old chicken house. When we bought the property, the chicken house was not salvageable, unfortunately, so we decided we were going to slowly tear it down as we had time. It's a pretty long chicken house, so it's been a slow go for a while. We had somebody come and remove a lot of the tin that was salvageable. And as I mean Nathaniel, tearing it down, he's been pulling posts that we can reuse for future projects. So, chicken house teardown is complete. As you can see, we have a lot of things to pick up still and get cleaned up. We're going to get all of those posts that we can salvage and reuse for other projects. We're going to get those and put those in a designated spot and get all the trash picked up and hopefully get this spot leveled out for future use.